Hi, Hilmi. This is your weekly journal number 2 that you just messaged me about. And I'm going to show you from my end, and then I'll show it from your end in case you don't know how to check your originality report. So you check it by clicking on this little rectangle with the percentage, which the percentage refers to the amount of what you turned in that has been matched to already published sources. And if I click on the percentage, I can get a report. Click this little paper icon, and then I click the number again, and I see that just about everything in this document is matched either to Arthur Brooks' article that we read, The 2 Equations to a Happy Life, or arthurbrooks.com, right? If it has a 2, then it's matched to the article, and if it has a 1, like this one, it's matched to. So I don't know, maybe we are not on the same page about what constitutes plagiarism, but you can't just grab already published material and turn it in as your own. Instead, in fact, this class is largely about using sources in as extra information or evidence to make our own arguments, and that's what we're going to be doing this semester, all semester. And in fact, you're doing it already in your essay 1 by building your happiness definition using ideas from 2 sources. You have to use those sources correctly, either put them in quotation marks, the exact lines, or paraphrase them, which means put them in your own words, or summarize them, which is also putting the author's idea in your own words, but boiling it down in a much more succinct fashion. So that's your journal number 2. You resubmitted your summary, but there's still a little bit of plagiarism, and let me show you. It's minimal, but I still need you to fix it. It's well, the equations for a happy life. The title of the article needs to be put in quotation marks. So as soon as you put it in quotation marks, it's no longer a problem, because the quotation marks tell me this is someone else. These are someone else's words, right? Think of these 3 equations as the first class in the mechanics of building life. That's his words, but you've included them as if they're your own, and you can't do that. You need to either put it in quotation marks and give him credit, put it in your own words and give him credit. Those are the 2 ways. And then this information also is directly from the article. It looks, I think you cleared up something. I can't remember what this looked like before, but you cleared up a bunch. But this up here is still plagiarized, and I still need you to fix it. So I need you to resubmit that. Now I'm going to show you how to check on your end these reports. So let me go to Student View. You go to Grades. And every time you see a flag like this, then that's an assignment that has an originality report, that will generate an originality report. I'm going to go to this one, but you can't click. This is not clickable. You have to click on the title and then click on the flag. And then you'll get the same report. This has 0% plagiarism, so there's really nothing to explore, but that's how it's done.